Scout Automobile Reviews. Welcome to the channel. Today, we dive deep into the opulent and thunderous world of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL, a name that evokes heritage, power, and luxury all in one smooth, unmistakable package. The SL has long been a symbol of open-top driving pleasure, but the Maybach treatment elevates it to something even more special. An automotive masterpiece that marries grand touring capability with the elite craftsmanship only Maybach can deliver. The 2026 Maybach SL is not just a rebadged SL with chrome detailing. No, it's been re-engineered with Maybach's signature philosophy in mind: uncompromising luxury, graceful performance, and a statement of presence wherever it goes. From the moment you approach it, you know it's something rare. The signature two-tone paintwork, offered in hand-applied custom palettes, and an extended use of chrome accents lend it a regal air. But unlike your traditional Maybach sedans, this one's designed for those who want to experience that prestige from behind the wheel. The front grille proudly wears the Maybach name, and it's flanked by ultra-slim, high-definition digital light headlamps. The long hood, sweeping body lines, and short rear deck perfectly honor the classic SL proportions, but the real magic lies in the details. From the intricately forged wheels to the retractable soft top that operates in near silence, even while driving at low speeds. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach SL boasts a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 engine, producing around 670 horsepower and over 900 Newton-meters of torque. This power plant isn't just about brute force, it's refined, smooth, and almost silent when you want it to be. With the Maybach-specific tuning, the power delivery is silk-like, prioritizing comfort and smoothness. But it can still surge to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 4 seconds if you ask it to. The 9-speed automatic transmission is seamless, always in the right gear, and adaptive to your driving mood. What sets the Maybach SL apart, however, isn't just what's under the hood, it's what's inside. Open the door, and you're greeted with a cocoon of ultra-premium materials. Leather, only the finest, hand-stitched Napa, wood, real, open-pore walnut and ebony trims. The dashboard is dominated by a massive old touchscreen that seamlessly integrates Mercedes' latest MBUX system, voice control, haptic feedback, and augmented reality navigation. The seats are nothing short of art, multi-contour, climate-controlled, with massage functions for both driver and passenger. Every surface is soft to the touch, every switch feels like a piece of jewelry. Even the floor mats are plush enough to be pillows. It's a space where technology and tradition meet. Ambient lighting bathes the cabin in customizable tones. An A Burmester 4D sound system creates a concert hall experience, whether you're listening to classical symphonies or lo-fi jazz. Of course, this being a Maybach, rear seat comfort hasn't been ignored, even in a two-door Roadster. The rear seats are generously padded, designed for shorter trips or high-end luggage. But for owners who travel with companions, they're perfectly suited to a short jaunt along the Riviera. Driving the 2026 Maybach SL is an event in itself. It glides more than it rolls. The suspension system is a marvel, featuring the latest iteration of Mercedes Active Ride Control, which scans the road ahead and pre-adjusts the dampers for imperfections. Even over potholes and cobblestones, the Maybach SL remains composed and whisper quiet. The steering is light but accurate, ideal for long highway cruises and elegant cornering. There's also a heightened sense of occasion every time you drive it. Whether you're pulling up to a luxury hotel in Paris or cruising down Sunset Boulevard, it attracts admiration and curiosity without screaming for attention. It's subtle, sophisticated, and infinitely photogenic. Safety and convenience features are, of course, state-of-the-art. You get everything from adaptive cruise control with automatic lane centering to a fully autonomous valet parking system. The car will park itself, exit parking spots, and even pull out your soft top automatically when rain is detected. But what truly makes the 2026 Maybach SL stand out is its mission. It's not just a car, it's an experience. It isn't built to dominate Nürburgring lap times or outgun muscle cars. It's meant to be savored. Every drive, every detail, every touch point, it all reminds you that you're not just in a car, but inside a rolling piece of art crafted for those who demand the best. At a price tag that comfortably enters the six-figure territory, and depending on customizations, well into the bespoke level, the Maybach SL is not for everyone. It's for those who already have everything and still want something unique. A convertible that doesn't just open its roof, but opens new possibilities for luxurious driving. So if you ever get the chance to experience the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL, even for a short ride, take it, because this car isn't about getting from A to B. It's about feeling like royalty every kilometer of the journey. Thanks for tuning into Scout Automobile Reviews. Until next time, drive safe, drive elegant.